Hello and welcome to another Blue Edge Crafts video. Today we're going to take a look at our new Mini Rhinestone Kit. Now each kit you'll get two boxes, as you can see in the picture here, and there are two different sizes, but both of them are very small. The maximum is about 2mm. So the first thing I'm going to say is that these must be very hard to use because they're so small, but because they're all kept in individual parts of the container, they're not going to get mixed up, so you can just get a few out as you need. As you can see, the loose ones on the top of our picture, and included in the kit is this pencil, and it's not just a white pencil. If you sharpen that up and put a point on it, as you would with any pencil, you actually get a fantastic picking tool that works so well. The cost of this kit is worth it alone in that pencil for all parts of your craft, to be able to pick things up and put them exactly where you want them. So let's use them and show you exactly what you can do. This is just something that we've printed off from a design that we had, and as you can see, there's a lot of little pink and blue dots along here. Now the first thing we need to do is put some glue down. Now you can use something like a Zig 2-way glue like this, but I'm using this little glue pen here from Sakura, the quickie glue pen. As you see, it has a tip on it exactly like a ballpoint pen, which means I can just go in there and just put the tiniest little bit of glue on exactly where I want it to go. So now that's done, we take our little picker and you just touch the top of one of the rhinestones and just drop it down on the top, and if you just roll the pencil very slightly, it detaches straight away. So there we go, let's put all the blue ones on first, and you can see it's taking such a long time. It's a quick process. Once you're set up, you're really quick to go. Now we'll put the pink ones on, and they go straight on top of that glue, and as you see, grips it straight away. Obviously you don't want to mess around with it too much for half an hour or so, just to let the glue go off, and there we are. It's done as quickly as that. It's sometimes quite hard to get sparkly things looking good on a camera, but if I get in close you can see the sparkle off of those rhinestones, which really adds another dimension to your work. Here's another example of some others we've done. See, we've put some pink up in those corners, so just anywhere that you think will give a little sparkle and draw your eye away off to something special. There, the daisy, we've put 3 in the centre of this daisy, and that looks nice. Again, trying hard to make it sparkle. And what else have we got? Yep, this one here, we've just put some down the side of the boot there, so as shiny buttons. Looks nice. And finally, we've just printed out some of these ladybirds, and the top one we've added the black spots with the rhinestones too, so that's a really nice finish. So we hope you enjoyed the video, and now you know exactly what you can do with our mini rhinestones. Thanks for watching our video, we hope you enjoyed it. Please give us a thumbs up or subscribe to our channel. We'd love to show you some more things that are coming along later in the year. Thanks for watching.